Hello everyone and welcome back to VoIP Knowledge. Today I am having OBI 1022 IP phone and which is acquired by Polycom. So as you can see the model is OBI 1022 and the details are given on the display. So this is now acquired by Polycom. So today I am going to register this IP phone on Grandstream PBX and I have logged in this device. So let's continue with this phone. So I'm going to the UCM and registering extension 901 in this IP phone. So I'm checking the password. You can see the password and I'm copying it. So now I'm back to the OBI phone and to register we have to just go to service provider and ITSP profile. In that first option general setting we are going to enable it and the default options are there. So we have to disable the default setting and enabling SIP option in the phone. So now I'm clicking on submit. Now going to the second option SIP and selecting few default settings and disabling them. So I'm entering the PBX IP address in proxy server. So the PBX IP address is 192.168.1.253 and the PBX SIP port is 5060. So as you can see PBX IP address I have entered here 1.253. The default port is 5060 of UCM. So we are just letting it as it is and saving. Now going to the voice service option in this phone and selecting SP1 service. So I'm disabling default options. So I'm just disabling two options, display label and display number. So I'm giving display label as extension number and display number same as extension number. So you can set display label as your name or anything you want. And enabling the third option as well, service profile A, which we have earlier saved in the A profile, ITSP profile. And as well I'm enabling codec profile A. Now I'm going to credential parameter options and disabling default setting and entering the authentication username as extension number which is 901 and authentication password which we have copied from UCM. Now I'm again copying the password from UCM which is admin at 121 and pasting the password here and clicking on submit, save, and now I'll reboot this phone to take the effect. So once it rebooted it will register automatically on the UCM. So now I'm checking the status in the UCM. So currently it is showing unavailable. Once registered it will be changed to idle. So the status is changed to idle and we can see the IP address of Obihai phone. This is 192.168.2.99 and we will check the status from the IP phone as well. So in the status you can see the SPI service status. It is showing registered and showing the PBX IP address as well. So I'm making a call from Wave extension and calling as audio call. Call is going to phone and I can check. So you can see 902 is calling to 901 and 901 is ringing. Similarly, we can check in the active calls. So I'm disconnecting the call and I'm repeating the steps. So we have to first go into the ITSP profile. In the general, we have to enable SIP, and in the second option, SIP option, we have to just enter the PBX IP address, port of PBX, and protocol UDP. Then going further down, we have to set the SP1 services in the phone, set the display label, display number, and authentication username and number. That's it. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe the VoIP Knowledge channel so that I can make more videos for you. Thank you for watching.